What is the difference between murder and manslaughter? To put it simply, a murder is generally intentional, while a manslaughter is most of the time an accident or unintended. The most common manslaughter charge is vehicular manslaughter, where somebody has died due to your negligence in driving. In order to get a murder conviction, the DA must present a lot of evidence and must prove your intent. Having a qualified criminal attorney who has tried multiple murder cases is essential when facing murder charges. An experienced murder attorney knows how to evaluate the evidence and knows how to argue your intent to have murder charges reduced or handled less severely. There are many defenses to murder charges. One of them is an insanity defense. For an insanity defense, it is the burden of the defendant to prove that at the time of the murder, they were insane and did not understand what was happening. Oftentimes, mental illnesses can be used in an insanity defense to help reduce or defend a murder charge. Another defense to murder is self-defense and defense to others. However, this is the state of California, not Texas. The right to defend yourself or the right to defend others is highly scrutinized in the state of California. District attorneys will argue that your self-defense was not justified. For example, if a gun is used to defend somebody who's getting into a fist fight, most of the time in California, the district attorney will charge you with a felony murder, although you were defending yourself or a friend. Self-defense is when you use deadly force when you have a reasonable fear of great bodily injury or death. Unfortunately, in the state of California, you are required to retreat and oftentimes are not allowed to use self-defense to the point where it's almost too late. Having a good criminal defense attorney who understands self-defense and can fight against the district attorney's strict interpretation of self-defense is absolutely necessary when claiming self-defense. If you have any questions about murder, call Earl Carter and Associates. We will fight for you.